Hey there, let's see how to create heat maps on Google Looker Studio so you can see when your customers are interacting with your clients. And I will show you what I'm talking about, so I will start this tutorial. The first thing is that you will create a Google Looker Studio report and you will go to Insert. And on Insert, you will go with Pivot Table. Pivot Table is the chart that we will use to create our heat map. So I will click on Pivot Table. The next step is that heat maps are generally big because we need to break down our data by days of week and hours of day, so make sure that you expand your chart. Then the rows that you will use for your data are the hours of day. So here I will choose hour of day. In this case, I am connecting Facebook ads data. You can use any connector. Most connectors have hourly breakdowns. For Facebook ads, it is called hourly stats aggregated by advertiser. And the column dimensions that you will use to break down your data is day of week. So here I will choose day of week, and the metric can be anything that you want to see to visualize concentration. So you can use engagements, clicks, conversions, whatever. So here I will be using clicks for Facebook ads. So I want to see at what time people are interacting the most with my ads. If I were using Google Analytics 4, then sessions will be a better way to do it. Here I will expand this chart a little bit more. And now I have my heat map, but it still misses the heat. So I will show you how to do it. First, we need to sort the data. For the rows for hours, I need to make them descending. So I start from 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. They have an order, and also for day of week. So I will do that. The sorting, instead of the metric, I will do it with the hour of day, and I will make it ascending. So we start from early to night. And also for columns, day of week, it will be ascending to start from Sunday to Thursday, Friday, and so on. So here I have this. I will click on chart and I will make a change. I will make this change the style of this thing. So here, instead of just pivot table, there is an option to add a pivot table, but as a heat map. And here you will be able to see a heat map where we will see concentration. In this exercise, what we are doing is that we can see exactly at what hour of day and what day of week we are having more interactions with our data. So in this case, for instance, we see that on Mondays and Tuesdays from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., let's say, to 10 p.m., people are interacting the most. What you can do with this data? Actually, this is something I have done at Porter. When I want to launch webinars or emails and so on, I take in consideration peak hours. So I send content at this time because I know that people are more active during these hours. The other thing is I can reschedule my support team. If I know that my support team, my clients are interacting more with me and they are reaching out to support more often at this time, then I will have more people for support available at this time, and maybe for other time I don't need them. I don't need to count on them. So these are the kind of ideas that you can do with heat maps on Google Looker Studio.